Hi, I'm Tom. I'm 20 years old and currently a university student majoring in computer science. I've always been fascinated by technology and how it shapes our world. In my spare time, I enjoy coding and working on small projects. It's not just about the programming for me, it's about creating something new and useful. My typical day starts early. I'm usually up by 7 a.m. I believe in starting my day with a good breakfast. It's usually something simple like oatmeal or a smoothie. After breakfast, I head to my classes. I spend most of my day at the university attending lectures and participating in group projects. When I'm not studying, I love playing basketball. It's a great way to stay fit and unwind. I'm also an avid reader. My current interest is in science fiction novels, especially those that explore futuristic themes and space travel. Reading not only relaxes me, but also opens my mind to different perspectives. I enjoy spending time with my friends. We often meet up at a local cafe to catch up or discuss our latest class assignments. I value these moments because it's not just about the fun, but also about learning from each other's experiences and views. Looking ahead, my goal is to become a software developer. I'm particularly interested in developing applications that can make a difference in people's lives, whether it's through improving efficiency or offering new ways to connect. I'm excited about the future and the opportunities that lie ahead in the field of technology.